Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Alright guys, this is another question a lot of people are asking right now with everything going on. Can beards be trimmed in 2020? Can you go out and get your beard trimmed professionally? Short answer is yes. All you gotta do is go locally, search your local area for barbers, find one, look them up online. Now the one I use, they have an app, everything's online. You go on their app, you find what barber you want, then look at his or her schedule, find a time that's open, and then click on it, designate that time for you, set an appointment, and then put down a card and show up when it's your time. Now I showed up wearing a mask. You walk in wearing a mask, then you'll sit down in the barber chair and they'll sit you down. Now if you're just getting a haircut, you'll probably end up leaving your mask on, they shave, and then they just take it off one ear at a time, do your hair, put it back on, do the other one, right? But if you're getting your beard trim, then they told me, because they told me that I could go ahead and just take my mask off. So I sat in there the whole time pretty much without a mask on, breathed just fine. He cut my hair, then he went down and trimmed my beard, got it looking good, and that was that. I got up, put my mask back on, went to the counter, paid, and walked out. It was that simple. So yes, you can get your beard trimmed in 2020, even with all this stuff going on. You know, as long as your local government is allowing barbershops to be open, then yes, you should be able to go get your beard trimmed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you would, subscribe to the channel, drop a like maybe, I'd appreciate it greatly. And with all that said, I hope y'all have a great day today.